Hello. Today we will be learning how to operate CNC milling machine. To operate CNC milling machine, you must use software compatible with the milling machine. This software, in our case, is CNC base for Benchmill 6000. This software will read our program and control the machine. If we take a closer look to the software, we can see that there is windows like job control, which allows us to move tool and the table. Operator panel allows us to run program and change the run settings. Actual position window, which tells us the position of the table and the tool. Machine info tells us information about the machine. And program window. As you can see, I already prepared program for today's lesson. Before we start running our program, we must make sure that we have the right tool. In this case, I will be using tool number 2. Before running program, I must verify it to make sure that there is no problems. To verify it, I move to the verify settings, and there I must input the dimensions of my workpiece. In this case, I will be using this works block. As you can see, I already inputted unnecessary information. After inputting the information, we can verify our program. After simulation is finished, you can see that there is no problems with my program. After that, we can estimate runtime. Estimated runtime for this program 2 minutes 46 seconds. Now we can move to the machine. Before starting the work, you must make sure that there is no obstacles in the working space of the machine, since our tool and table will be moving during the work. Also, you must check the lubrication of the machine. To lubricate the machine, you must pull this lever. After that, when placing the workpiece, you must make sure that it aligns with the coordinates of the program. Also, you must make sure that workpiece doesn't move. To run our program, we must close the shield. Home the tool. I also would like to calculate the actual runtime of the program. So, to run our program, we must press cycle start, run program, and program will start. Runtime of the program was 2 minutes 47 seconds. As you can see, there were no problems during the work, and our workpiece matches with the image in the verify window.